Hey everybody, Frank Chen here with REIClub.com and the site you'll need as a real estate investor. Today, I got a quick video for you on investing in probates. Now, like in all my videos, everything I talk about, I do include it in the description below. Simply click show more and you can follow right along. So welcome to the exciting world of making money in real estate and property that's in probate. Now, to get things started, let's review the probate investing process. Now, when an individual passes away, let's call them deceased, they're either going to have a will or not. If they have a will, it's going to outline who's going to get what, and if they don't, then the estate and personal assets are going to go through the probate process. Now, the probate process with a court will appoint a personal representative to handle the allocations of the assets and pay off all remaining creditors, okay? This includes having to assess all the debts that were left behind by the deceased. Now, our goal as the investor is to get in contact with the executor of the will, who is also the personal representative appointed by the court to handle the estate. Now, the way we can help the heirs is to contact the executor and work out a deal with that person to purchase the property as well as any personal property if that's available. Now, this can be a very stressful time to the heirs. They're in the midst of grieving as well as taking care of responsibilities regarding the property and the estate. Now, you can come in and actually show them how you will take care of the property as well as any personal property that goes along with the real estate to make this a quick and easy transition for them so they can move on with their life without having to deal with the hassles of getting rid of the property. Now, I've broken down the 5 simple steps. Keep in mind, I do have a lot to cover, so I want to briefly go over each one of these, but you're more than welcome to check it out in the description below for more details. Now, the first step is you want to build a team, okay? Meaning you have to get familiar with the executors, how to get in contact with the personal representatives, because these are your primary point of contact. You also want to get to know your probate clerks at your county court office. They're going to help you find out which properties are in probate. They give you the property information, the probate schedules. Very important to get to know who they are. Get in contact with an appraiser, so you know how to assess the value of the home when it comes to making offers. You want to have some contractors in place, insurance agents, probate attorneys, even a real estate agent, okay? Now, important, first step is building your team. Step 2 is finding your deals, okay? You can find them in newspaper ads, the obituaries, probate clerks, websites, and even market in areas where there is an increase in elderly population. So once you do get the list from the probate clerk's office, you can start your marketing, direct mail campaigns, bandit signs, however you want to do it. But with probates, follow-up is the key. Next step is screening deals on the phone, okay? The main key here is you want to find out how motivated the seller is. You want to find out how much value is actually in the home and if any repairs are needed. The reason you want to do this all by the phone, because if the numbers don't work out by the phone, then the numbers are not going to work out if you just visit the property. So this is going to save you a lot of time. The next step, if everything checks out on the phone, you like the property, there's money to be made, you're going to do your property walkthrough, okay? Visiting the property. You want to build rapport with the executor or the heir of the property or the estate. Be sure to bring a checklist because there's a lot going on. You don't want to forget anything. And you're going to assess the condition of the home, exterior, interior, any updates that need to be made, any repair costs, things like that, okay? These are all going to be contributing towards making an offer. So that leads us to our next point, is just making your offer. What you need to assess is, do you want to fix up the property, flip it, rent it, establish what you want to do with the property, because you have to incorporate the costs associated with that. Factoring in repair costs, factoring in financing. This is going to be a cash offer, a hard money offer. Factor in down payments. Are you including contingencies in your contract, contingent upon inspection, appraisal? Do you want to include special provisions? Yes, maybe. Okay, but key here is keep it simple. The people you're working with really want to get rid of this hassle of theirs, and you're the solution. So keep it simple. As for the closing and documents, that's the next thing. Really, you're going to be going through your point of contact, which is your personal representative. Once they approve your offer, you're connecting with your title company, in which this is going to close like any other property, okay? They're going to make sure that all the paperwork is there, it's signed, and once everyone is in agreement, you're going to close this house like any other. They're going to send you a HUD-1 weeks prior to closing, and it's going to close just like that. Now, once you make money on the estate, there's also other ways to make money on the personal property, such as jewelry and cars. I don't want to get too much into that, but there are opportunities there, which we'll go into a little bit more detail later in this video. Now, this was a brief overview. I do apologize for going so quick. We have a lot to cover of how to invest in probates, but if you would like to learn more about investing in probates in more detail, we actually have a 68-minute CD that you can download that breaks down the process even further. Once again, this is absolutely free to you. You can check it out in that link in the description below. Okay, now this CD will be your quick start guide to building a business centered on creating profits with probate, real property, and probate personal property. You will learn the basics of the probate process, pretty much everything I talked about in this video today, but in much more detail, okay? So I definitely encourage you to check out that link in the description below. Now, if you are an individual getting started in real estate and you need to know exactly how to get started, then this is going to be perfect for you. So go check it out. Now again, guys, this is Frank Chen with REIClub.com. Please take the time to leave comments below about what you thought about this video. Click the like button because it really does help us out. But more importantly, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can keep you informed of when brand new videos like this are posted every week. As usual, guys, thank you so much for your time, your continued support. I look forward to talking to you next time. Take care, good investing, and bye-bye.